Okay, so I've got the new bearing in there. Let's see if I've got this focus. Okay, put the new bearing in. These are still slide. You just slide that off. Those are brand new pins. Make sure all your pins are lined up. You don't want to squash or break them. Now this part here needs to go down in order for me to slide this clip in. So I'm going to take this here, and I'm going to pound it down. Make sure I got it seated in there. Alright, flip it. Yeah, and now I have room in this little groove right here. See this little groove? Alright, where'd the clip go?
Right here.
The new clip. Alright, if you hold the camera right here, Ryan, over what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm gonna take my ball peen hammer.
Yep. Okay.
See, I've got the clip. I'm gonna take the ball peen hammer. I'm gonna go right in this groove. I'm gonna tap that back in. Tap it right in there. Maybe I should use a screwdriver. It's okay, they didn't come out too easy either. Doesn't seem to be. Is it in there? Yeah, I guess it's in there. Alright, we got this end in. The other end of this business has to happen once we get this part of the shaft back into the car. I greased the inside of this part here just to make sure it was alright. Now let's do the test. Well, there's no play in that, that's for sure.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know if it's supposed to be that hard to move either. Well, for better or worse, it's just gonna have to do. And then I've got a grease fitting right here that I have to grease. Even though there's grease in these, it requires that you put some more grease in there after. So this has to get put in while we're under the car, which, oh, that's gonna be so much fun. Okay, Ryan, let's do the other end of the business. So flip this thing around and put this end very carefully over there, and let's see if we can do this before the sun goes down.
Oh God.
Well, if we have to do it again some more tomorrow, we'll do it some more tomorrow. There's nothing we can do. We got that end in. Make sure no snow or crap gets on that. Whoa! Oh, we lost the bearing. Watch the needles. Make sure they're straight. If they're bent, the whole thing is screwed.
Okay.
Alright, so
How do we keep those from coming out when we put the car back in? Oh, look.
we got clips. We got clips. Alright.
Oh, did you put those little duba hacks in the grooves? In there?
We got to do that when we get them on the car. After we get them on the car, we put those on.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes, the clips.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Alright, so there's clips in this too, and those are down in here. I had a heck of a time getting the other clips out, but they're underneath this goop, back underneath all this crap here. take over holding the camera
Sure. Well, it's about to die.
again.
Yeah, it's about ready to croak on us. Any second.
Can you go get the green charger?
Has it been charging?
I don't know whether it needs to be charged or
No,
not.
I think it's dead. So I gotta throw this back in the car. We'll be
Uh,
right with you. We'll be right with you, people of YouTube.